She is the one who I love. Whom helped you today? To who did you mail the letter? Wait, something seems a bit off here. What's wrong with these expressions? Hi everybody, I'm Aliona at Kick English and I'm here to answer your questions. Today's question is, what's going on with the words who and whom? Let me tell you a little secret. Even some native English speakers mix up who and whom. So if you ever make a mistake using these two words, don't worry, because this usually isn't a big problem. But if you'd like to impress your friends with your English knowledge, then listen carefully. I will explain how you can use who and whom like a grammar expert. Who and whom are both pronouns, but the difference is that who refers to the subject and whom refers to the object of a clause or sentence. If you imagine that someone is doing something, who would be the person doing the action, and whom would be the person receiving the action. Here's a tip. Since who is the person doing the action, who usually comes before the verb of the sentence because it is the subject. Like in this sentence, who are you? Or who gave her the flowers? Or who helped you today? On the other hand, whom usually comes after the verb of the sentence. Although sometimes whom can be found at the start of a sentence when it is a question. When you get confused, always remember that whom receives the action, while who does the action. For example, in the question, we will eat dinner with whom? The whom is receiving the action of eating dinner. Here are some more examples. We can say, he is the one whom I love. Or, whom should I invite to our wedding? Or even, with whom am I speaking? When we're speaking with someone we do not recognize on the telephone. So let's avoid confusion and learn to use who and whom correctly and confidently. Repeat after me for some speaking practice. My brother who lives in Spain came to visit. My brother who lives in Spain came to visit. I wasn't the one who spilled the coffee. I wasn't the one who spilled the coffee. Students who study hard usually get good grades. Students who study hard usually get good grades. Whom did he marry? Whom did he marry? To whom was this letter addressed? To whom was this letter addressed? This is the man whom I told you about. This is the man whom I told you about. Do you understand the difference between who and whom? Then let's try out a quiz. Did you mail the letter? That's right. To whom did you mail the letter? Want some pizza? Very good. Who wants some pizza? Do you believe? That's right. Whom do you believe? Good job, everyone. So that's it for today. Remember to download the Cake app for free so you can find more videos just like this one. See you next time. Bye!